All right, so we got the new headliner in, and we're going to open it. It has not been opened. It ain't been retaped in any kind of way. Um, you can tell. Now y'all see where it came from. I'm not going to down the company. I'm just kind of upset. I guess more of the, it is windy. I guess I'm more upset because of the work that went involved with drilling the holes, doing the cutouts, getting everything right, uh, getting in the truck. But let's see what they sent back. And of course, it took I got the emails here. You'll see these, the time frame it took from the first one to get here. It was, I mean, they did say it takes 60, 90 days to get the first one. The second one showed up about a week. I guess their excuse, you'll see in the email that it was a pandemic. Uh, this took a week, so I guess the pandemic's over. But anyway, let's open this up and see just what this one is, if it is the same one or any other changes been done. What I'm afraid of and what I'm going to do is I'm not going to install this one right now. See if this opens it up. I'm not going to install this one right now. What I'm going to do this summer, I'm going to put it in the truck. Just like it is now, covered and what all. And this is, I got it last Thursday. And this is January what, 12th, 13th, somewhere in there. And see how long this one, if it will fall or not. Now I can tell you now, the last one didn't come with this Velcro. I do have the video of the first one. That's what they got here. What this right here is. I think this right here is our visors that come with it. Let's see what kind of shape they're in this time. Looks like it's going to be the same material. What all. This is your visors that will come with your headliner when you get one. I mean, you'll have to put your rods and all, or screw this to your other old visor, however you want to do it. It says right here, they left me a note here saying glue failure replacement. In your installation instructions. What I guess the main thing was, I've sold a bunch of these trucks over the past few years. After, clean them up, build them or whatever. I'm doing it for myself. Good thing. And I had a guy that's he offered me a good bit for the truck. He come by and seen it as I was building it, doing things to it. And he told me, he said, I want to buy the truck when you're done. I said, well, it ain't for sale. He said, well, we'll talk about that when you get done. Now, let's say I got done with the truck this last year, and this headliner would have failed. So let's see what we got here. It is the same one. Looks like it. No holes in it. You've got to do your cuts, your drills. You've got to do all the work to it to get it where to fit. Not bad. But again, am I afraid to install it and the same thing happen again? So what we're going to do this year, as we're building the truck, now I've got some real good adhesive glue that I think I might use on the one that's in there. If this one don't fall, I'll put it in. But for right now, I'm going to experiment with some other adhesive to see if I can get this other one to stick back up. See if it holds up. I'm going to put this one in the truck during the summer this next year, and let's see if it falls again. I'm just going to set it in there as I'm working with the truck. I'll take it out and do what I got to do, and I'll set it back in there on the seats or whatever and just leave it in the truck. But I want to see if the glue comes off this one. If it don't, I may consider putting it in there. I don't know yet. I give them a chance. I wrote one email and see what they wanted to do. This was their choice. I could fix the headliner that's in there, but I'd rather settle for a reimbursement of it for the time it took and the trouble it was to do the headliner. Like I say, I bought all the other carpet from them, the floor, back, everything else has came from these people, and it's all been good, all but the headliner. Just wasn't very happy with it when it did what it did. We're going to start over. So let's look at the old headliner and see what happened. Like I say, everything on the headliner, you have to drill all your holes, do any cutouts, because your light's not cut out on it. Nothing. Your visors, you got to cut them out or screw to it. Either way, I'm changing up the visors in the truck due to the map light up there. But when I was installing that seat, as we talked about on the first video, my head was touching the top. And I knew it wasn't before. Like, wow, I had clearance. What's up with this? And I went to push up on it, and it's falling. And if you like the smooth look, that's fine. Leave it like it is. But you miss a lot of your detail on the headliner when you do it. Like I say, it's a lot of work getting them in from the fall. We come along with the truck a good bit. And then I had one suggestion from a viewer about the buttons, maybe for the back here, because that even got warm and kind of felt a little bit. That Velcro glue did. And I don't have all the screws in these all the way yet. I just got it up there, really. Good thing, huh? Because I got to take it back down now and put the other one up. It's a lot of work, man. You gotta got all these ends lined up, the holes perfect. And let's just buy one that's already pre-cut. They do have them out there. I think when I bought this one, there wasn't one available. Is what made me buy this one. But the material on it, I mean, it's great. It's the ABS board. I mean, it's a good headliner. It's just glue failed. So what I'm gonna do this summer, like I said, I'll get the other seat in, and when I'm not working on the truck, I'll just slip it in here and see if what happens. Is it gonna fall? Is it gonna stay? You know, and what I'll we'll see. I still gotta redo my vinyl on my uh, center console there. It's coming along well though. We're getting there. It'd be okay if we get done with it. You know, I'm still looking for a mobile tinter to come out, do the windows. I want to get that done before I got too far, but I don't know if they're gonna show up or not. But anyway, it's your choice who you buy from. You know, but let's wait till after this next summer. Around October next year, let's see if if the other one comes down. I may leave this one like it is until then. I may not even mess with it until I see if the other one falls or not. It does say that you got 60 days for defects, uh, material failure, or whatever. But it gives you a 1 year warranty. And from the time from installation, I don't know when it failed. I had to during the summer, uh, but I didn't notice it. You know, of course, it cooled off. I got here where I could work on the truck again. And when I put the seats in, it happened. So it could have happened back in July, August during our hottest part of the year. I don't know. I know I worked in the truck. I never looked up, never noticed it. Not to put the seats in. But again, I hate to do a truck and this product was to fail a year later because you and I both know that has the square bodies or builds them or cleans them up, whatever. If you're building it or just cleaning it up, you know, customize a little bit. If somebody pays for this, you know, they've gone outrageous now, anywhere from 10 up to 100,000 or more. So if somebody did pay you 20,000, 25 or 50 or whatever, and the headliner fell, if they bought in December and it fell in August, they probably gonna become looking for you, you know, or asking you, hey, you know, you gonna warranty this? Headliner fell. Kind of scary. So, like I say, we're gonna see if this one falls. If it don't, I may install it. But as right now, I think I'm gonna leave this one like it is until after the summer. Then we make up our mind, go back in there and redo it. Um, anyway, that's the way it's gonna be. But as far as the company goes, everything else has been great. No complaints on any of the other carpet stuff they've got. It's the first time I tried one of their headliners. I've tried some others in the past, but none of them was available. This was the only availability one that was around. It was still going to be up to 60 to 90 day delivery, which we went over that with about probably 4 or 5 months we finally got it. But it's up to you what you do. Like I say, I've had no problems with them up to this point, and they might have been out of the glue that they usually use. I don't know. They didn't tell me. So hey, we're trying new glue, see if it fails. Who knows? This might be stuck with the glue they used to use. If it was different, you know, let me know. But they didn't. So I'm gonna take it. It is what it is, I guess, huh? Not supposed to say that, but it is. Anyway, just review on it, kind of update y'all on what was happening. So let's get back on the truck and finish this interior, so I get that engine in there. We ready to hear this thing roll. Thanks for watching.